In this video, I'm going to show you how to take apart your EPS2116. So first, if you have this new style clamp here, you're just going to undo that. Pull comes off like this. Undo this. Okay, so that comes off like that. So now we're going to unscrew our bird spike. So just grasp up here on the plastic antenna, and then just turn this, loosen that up just a little bit to break it free, and then you can just turn the whole foam piece right here like that. Just unscrew that, and that'll pop right off. I'm going to put that back in its case. So now we are going to fish the microphone and preamp out. So it comes out like this here, and we're going to undo the heated preamp cord. So you just pull up on this and separate like that. Put our preamplifier back in its case. Now we're simply just going to take our cord and we're going to push it through like this. Now our cord is free. And you put this back in its box. So you can see right here all these components here. Alright, so now I'm just gonna wrap up the microphone cable here. Included strap here, like so. And keep that all wound up. So now I'm going to show you how to take your 831C out of your NMS044 system. So the first thing you're going to have to do is you remove the microphone cord. Then we're going to remove the USB port. And then we're going to remove the I/O cable. And now we're going to tilt this whole assembly up. So to do that, we remove this piece of foam here that holds the battery in place. And we just set that to the side. And now this whole assembly can tilt up like this. And what we're looking for is on the back of our 831C, here's a tripod mount right here. So there's a screw on the bottom going into here. And there's also another screw here going to cover the battery that goes through the battery door to hold that in place. So we're going to have to take both of these out. So it's a little hard to see, that's why I showed you that way. So the tripod screw, that can just be done by hand. And the battery screw might require the assistance of a screwdriver, but should be able to be done by hand. So we're just going to get those free. And then here's our 831C. That's out. I'm going to set that to the side. Now I'm going to put this back in. So we're going to push the battery back and just kind of gently slide this into place. Verify that nothing is touching there or anything. Then we're going to slide in our piece of foam like this. Slide this down, keep everything nice and secure, and that's that. Simply close your lid, lock the case, and that's that. one thing that I did forget to mention is these plugs right here. Some people want to know how these come apart. They can be a bit tricky if you've ever dealt with them before. So with your kit, you'll have this tool here that's designed to remove these connectors. You'll want to note that this side right here is angled to help release this this pin in here. So you're going to make sure that this angled side goes against or goes towards these pins right here. So you're just going to kind of insert it like this, and then just kind of push it in there, and then that should free up the pins, and then you just wiggle it out. They can be stubborn sometimes, so sometimes it needs a little bit of persuasion, but typically you just push it in like that, and then out you go.